Okay guys, just doing an update on the flip out here on Independence. Haven't really done a lot outside besides the paint, and but recently the gutters have been done. Nice 5-inch gutters with big downspouts. We had some water issues coming down here from the old gutters, so the wood behind here was rotten, so that was all removed and replaced. Other than that, outside, still haven't got those cedar shingles finished, but this is where transformation. There was a wall here, if you didn't see the previous videos. That was where the old sink was. Now that's going to be refrigerator, cabinets. The oven will be right there, which the oven was right over here. That'll now be the sink. Cabinets are going to go in, and the countertops will go over 12 inches. So they'll hang out, there'll be a little bar, probably some stools. This is going to be opened up some more. That was where the old bathroom was, and now we have a doorway into a utility room, which was kind of just useless space. We were able to add a small pantry, which is pretty awesome. In houses like this, you usually don't find things like that. Back here, let me flip a switch. Oh, we've been removed. We've removed the switches. So right here, that will be a bathroom. Most likely a vanity here, toilet facing that way, and the door will be over here. It'll open this way into the room, and then against this wall will be washer and dryer hookups. When there is a wall there, hopefully we can have some cabinets, but kind of wanted to give you a little update. It's all these things that you don't think about, but ductwork, you know, that's gonna have to go flush to the ceiling. We've got a lot of old electrical where it was actually spliced in the wall. This was all tiled, and that was actually behind tile. And there was a vent, which is right there. That was actually covered up with sheetrock. So it's interesting, all the things you can find. The craftsmanship that's been done in this house since the 40s. So, dining room table, open concept. Bathroom, not much done. It's almost ready for tile. So, got our membrane on, added an LED light, of course our exhaust fan. The original one, when they built the house, was up here. We dropped it down. Now we'll have two switches, one for the fan and one for the light. It just had a light. Other than that, that's about it. This is where all the work's being done. Things you got to think about. We have a gas line in here, so a gas line has to be moved. All the electrical. But yeah, a window. There was the window there. That's been removed. So, the windows we were going to remove and decided to keep them. These I am not sure about. Those will probably be removed or covered. Thanks, guys.